DFW's housing market is starting to get a bit more complicated to read right now, with the war in Iran adding another layer of uncertainty. And because of that, it's making it tougher for some potential buyers and sellers to know whether now is the right time to make a move. So here this morning to help us sort through it all is local real estate agent Kevin McDonald. Good morning, Kevin. It is always great to have you here on Daybreak.
Thank you. Good morning for having me.
All right, so let's get right to it. There's a lot of mixed signals about the housing market right now. So is it actually a good time to buy or sell?
So I think you got to look at the facts. Rates are down from last year from 6.6 to 6.2. That's real savings right there. Buyers are also negotiating between 5 and 7% off of the asking price right now. You have leverage you didn't have 2 years ago, and then people waiting for the perfect timing. They're going to watch a window that probably closes. Perfect doesn't exist, only opportunity.
Good to know. And, you know, DFW was just named the #1 real estate market to watch in 2026. What does that actually mean?
Look, I mean, again, also all the facts. 100 corporate headquarters have relocated here since 2028. That's not luck. That's demand being built every single day. So you have Y'all Street that's coming to Dallas. You have movie studios being built in Mansfield. Fort Worth and Western counties, they have real growth. They have land, they have value, and they have momentum all in one place. So if you have real estate in DFW right now, you own something that the rest of the country is trying to move into.
And then what is the biggest mistake you're seeing buyers and sellers make right now?
You know, for buyers, waiting for rates to drop to 5%. 2026 is more of a transition year, not a full rebound. For sellers, inflated list price. That means more days on the market and probably a lower final number for you. And then for both sides, the market rewards people with the right guide. So if you do need help, find us on all platforms at Kevin Sells Dallas.
And then I'm gonna put you on the spot here. What is your biggest piece of advice for both sellers and buyers? And it could be two separate pieces here.
You know, be flexible. I mean, for buyers, look in different areas. It might not be your first, especially if it's your first house. Be flexible. And for sellers, look at the data, look at the comps, and truly take the advice of the guys from your real estate agents. If you need to do some painting or some landscaping, maybe look into sprucing that up a little bit this spring.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much, Kevin. You always bring such great insight, especially as the spring season rolls on for the local housing market. So thank you so much for being here.
Thank you. I appreciate it.